Welcome to all. There is slight rain today, so some slight voice disturbance may be there, but it's okay because today's is somewhat practice question. Okay, now see. Find forces in all members. Sketch given. For the given pin jointed frame. First important class. What I tell. Already two master questions are over, where I explained each and everything for you. So now time has come for you to start solving. All those who are sincere, this question I'll give brief solution right in the beginning only, but I will explain little. So you thoroughly this question fully solve. And this is one small problem is there here. See, angles are given, all equal. Length is not given, no problem. See, for method of joint, we require angle. Length you don't require. But length you require for finding reactions. That what we will do is, we will take, see, this length as L. This length as L. Then when you find reactions, the L will get cancelled. That's the advantage. So you get the numerical values only. So even though the length is not given here, you can take any length for that matter. But if you take 5 meter here, everywhere 5 meter. This will be 2.5. That way you take, but don't take 5, take L. And I'll solve the question. So sometime it happens. Suddenly some will tell, sir, this is numerical, but some in exam they will give L here. Sir, some bookwork type L is there. L will cancel. Later I will solve more question where instead of giving numerical values here, I will give 2p, 3p, 4p like that, or 2w, 3w like that. That will solve later. So class is, this is the time when you have to be serious and solve. Okay, I will first do one thing. So remember, therefore, in the class I am telling you now, I will give you brief solution. Brief solution. Brief solution, so that all those who are dedicated and serious will learn and get a solid grip. Okay, start. Calculation of support reactions required. See, sometimes what happens is, usually people, left side they give hinge, right side roller. No, there is no rule. This time see, hinge is at the right end, right side, roller left side, no problem. So, first write, see, dash dash. I will not explain now. Let V, see, this D is hinged support, vertical reaction and horizontal reaction. Let VD be vertical reaction and HD be horizontal reaction. You are right here. At the hinged support at D. Statement I am dictating. And let RB be the reaction normal to the plane of the roller at B. But remember, since roller is horizontal, your RB will become VB. Okay, now I will assume vertical reaction VD, I will assume upwards. Horizontal reaction HD, I will assume right side. And what RB, VB, I will assume upward. Okay, now draw a neat sketch here. See, 30, 40, 20, 12, 10, 16 and 60. Now, you see when you take moment, length required, you write here, let A be equal to L. See, you mark L. Now, class 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Therefore, remember, directly you can tell, if this is AB equal to L, you write here, since AB equal to L, you write here, their BC also equal to CD equal to L. So therefore, L, L, L. Then, see, when you project here, see, this is 50 degrees. If I continue same way, again it will be L. So D to H, horizontal distance from D to the projection of H here will be L by 2. See, correctly. See here. If you do this way, it is an isosceles triangle. So if it is 50, this also 50 degrees. So therefore, this also 50. What happens? If this is L, see, this is L by 2. Okay, then also, see, if I project the 40 here, this will be L by 2, see here, L by 2. If I project 20 here, this will be L by 2, this will be L by 2. High school level mathematics. Okay, start. Take moment. I told always first take moment, never by heart left side. You always take moment about hinged support, class. In my class I told, when one hinge and one roller is there, always take first moment about the hinged support. YD, see, Y sigma m about sigma m about D, question mark, class I am telling, moment about hinge. Therefore, put the finger here. Start. VB into 2L clockwise, see here, plus VB into 2L. Now, one by one, start. I stand here. Minus 16 into L minus 60 into 3L, see, 3L. Then 30 into, see here, moment about this point is 30 is a horizontal load. So 30 into height h. So you write here, let h be the height here. We don't know what is height. Let it be h. So minus 30 into h. Why minus? About D, see, anti-clockwise. Again, minus 40 into, see, L plus L, 2L. If I project here, from here, see, this 40 into this distance, this sketch is not fully to the scale, little randomly I wrote. So you write neatly, 40 into L plus half of L, 2.5 L, minus 20 into L plus half of L is 1.5 L. Then all over this side, see, now plus, why plus? Clockwise. See, sorry, 12 into, see, moment about this point, 12 into 0.5 L anti-clockwise. But remember, 10 into L by 2 is clockwise. L by 2 means 0.5 L. Okay. 10 into 0.5 L. L by 2 or 0.5 L equal to 0. Now you cannot find the reaction unless you get the value of H. So first what you do is, see, come here. You consider this triangle, see, E point here, A point here, B point here, right here. E, A and this is B. See, this project here, this is 50 degrees. This full is L. So this will be L by 2. This is height h. So tan 50 equal to h divided by L by 2. Therefore h equal to L by 2 tan 50. Okay, over. Now your h has come in terms of L by 2. You write, substitute, see this h, see here, this h equal to how much? This h equal to L by 2 into tan 50. It is raining more now. What will happen? See now. L. This also L. L will get cancelled. This is plus VB. Take all terms to other side. Your VB will come plus 172.438 kilonewton. Okay, then space problem is there. I'll remove something here. VB over. Once VB is over, okay. I think I can remove this one now. We got the value of VB. Okay. Next. VB you got. Sigma V equal to 0, take upward positive. What you get here? Plus VB plus VD. See something important. Plus VB plus VD, then minus, start from here, 60 minus 16 over, then come here, minus 40 minus 20 minus 12 minus 10 equal to 0. All over, minus 60 minus 16 minus 40 minus 20 minus 12 minus 10, 0. See, substitute your VD equal to plus 172.438 kilonewton. Substitute. Therefore, VD is known, you get VB. Very important, be very careful, your VB will come minus. Negative of, I wrote the answer there, 14.438. 14.438 kilonewton. Then lastly, see, sign is very, very important. Sigma H equal to 0, take right side positive. Plus HD minus 30 equal to 0. Therefore, your HD equal to plus 30 kilonewton. Okay. Reactions are over. Make a note now. Next, you have to go to star sketch. If somebody will ask what is star sketch, sorry, I cannot tell what you are doing in the two critical questions. My class meant for those who are studying. So, but before the star sketch, I told you already, you need angle of inclination for all inclined member. This time it is not there because every inclined member angle is 50 degrees. So that problem is solved. So now I will rub the full board and go for a star sketch. Once you go to star sketch, you cannot see anything. Therefore, before going there, make a note. See here, when you go to star sketch here, see here, HD we got a plus. We assume to right side, correct. So we will enter right side HD equal to 30 kilonewton. VB we assumed upward. Answer came plus, how much? Where is VB? Plus 172.438. So this VB we will consider upward direction only. No sign now. But your VD came, this is not VB, this is VD. Oh, this is not VB, sorry, VD is known. VB it is. Okay. ABCD problem. Okay. But VB came minus 14.438. We assumed VD vertically up. Negative sign came. So negative sign indicates that what direction we assumed there is wrong. Actual vertical reaction here is downward direction of 14.438. No minus once again now. Okay, over. For those who are interested, I set the question for negative. I will tell you why. See, these are the two support. This is a overhanging side. I put heavy load here. See, deliberately heavy load here. If you put heavy load here, that side will get lifted up. So to prevent lifting up, vertical reaction will come down. I wanted negative sign for the reaction. Okay, over. Now we will go to star sketch. See, when I go to star sketch, I already told you, VB I will enter 172.438 up. HD I will enter 30 kN right side. But VD I will enter 14.438 kN down. Remember that one. That's all. All inclined member, 50 degree angle, full board I can remove now. Okay. I will remove and make entry. See now, star sketch. I made a neat entry here. Everything ready, angle I marked. I told this reaction is negative downwards. Now I will solve here. Remember, this time I will write the joint, but expression I will dictate. I won't write. You should listen to me and write. Again, if you are serious. Now, before going there, don't see here. This red color rounding off. See? This red color rounded off. It is not for you. It is not for you. You never bother. What I tell now, you never. Those who are in the beginning, those who are studying systematically, those who are just now correctly understood, you never bother. But there are people who understand much better, and also maybe some person who knows subject very well. For him, improvisation. And only for those who can understand. See, or for those who want to understand later. As you practice the question more and more here, as you get the grip, people who will tell themselves, one fine day, I also want to reach his level. His means my level. Welcome, welcome. See, there is nothing more happier for a teacher when he knows that learning from him, if somebody reaches to his level, teacher will be more happy. I have no jealous feeling. If somebody goes above my level, I'll be very, very happy. I will tell, once upon a time, I only taught him. But now, he overtook me. See, Kannadadalli, Guruvanne Meerisida Shishya. In Hindi, Guru ke jada jaan liya, something like that. See, I don't know much about Hindi, those things all. Welcome. So in the class, you should see reaction when I tell. Okay. Now, I will do one thing now. I will enter all the answer here. If you want me to only enter the answer, this will not take me more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 joint. 1 joint lesser. 7 joint. Checking required. Okay, 8 joint. 8 joint. Say around 20 seconds. And 8 into 20. 8 into 20 seconds. 160 seconds divided by 60. Not more than 3 minutes. No. That way if I write, some people will doubt. Oh, maybe he took not 2 minutes, 3 minutes. He took 30, 40 minutes. Somewhere he wrote and is trying to impress us. People who think that way, let them think. My student know about my capacity. But what I will do is, I will enter the answer in such a way that those who can understand will understand. Or those who want to understand later, after you get the grip, you can come back here. Others all, don't bother. See, I will tell what is that shortcut directly. How, of course, you require solid grip. So therefore, I may take around 5, 6, 7 minutes now. Why? Because I am explaining what I am doing. For those who can afford it, I will start joint A, vertically down. So guaranteed, this is up. Its sine component should be equal to 60. So 60 divided by sine 50 over 78.324. Okay, I'll use a dark red color. You can see it later. Dark red color. Where is it? Here. Where is the dark red color? In the pocket only. Okay, so that I can see later. You can also see it. 78.324. If it is this way, this 4 should be like this. Why? This has got right component to balance left component. Its cos should be equal to this one. So into cos 50. 50.346. Right here now. 50.346 kilonewton. Kilonewton I won't write. Okay, then next I will come to this joint. If it is 10 down, this should be up. This vertical component should be 10. So 10 divided by sine 50. I will get, see, sometime divide, sometime multiply. It should come here. 13.054. Visible, I think, most probably. 13.054. I will check the camera once actually. Hope it is visible for you. I should not go out of camera. Yes, no, I am within the camera. 13.054. Then, if it is right side, its component is left side here. This horizontal component is balanced by this one into cos 50. 8.391. 391 kilonewton. Okay, now I will come to joint this joint. See, I have finished which one? I will round off. I consider joint A, then joint H. I will go to joint D now. Okay, anything. 13.054 into sine 50 is the vertical component. 13.054 into sine 50 is the vertical component. Okay, that vertical component down, this is further down, another 14.438. Total net downward force is 24.439. This vertical component should be equal to that one. If it is down, this should be up. This is down. So that component now divide by sin theta, sin 50. 31.901. 901. Its horizontal component is left side into cos 50. Will be 20 point something. Even this horizontal component also like this. Plus 13.054 into cos 50. Together it comes to 28.89 something. There is a 30 force that side. To balance, I require one more force like this here, which is the difference of this one and difference of this component. Minus 30. 1.103. 1.103 is that answer. Okay, now I will go to joint C. Now whichever joint D over, I will go to joint E. Down 78.324. 78.324 into sin 50. Into sin 50 is some vertical down component. Another 40 is there, plus 40. So net unbalance now is 99.9, that is 100 kilonewton, verting down. So this should have a component this way to balance it. This component's sin theta should be that one. So divide by sin 50. 130.540. 130.540 kilonewton. Now this has got a horizontal component left side into cos 50. 83 point something. Plus this also got left component plus 78.324 into cos 50. Together it will give you 134 this way, another 30 more here, plus 30 more to balance all. No resolution. I require right side force here of 164 point, not visible lightly, 255. The light problem here, 255. Okay, now joint E cleared, A cleared, D cleared, H cleared. I will come to joint B. Joint B. This has got vertically down component of 130.54 into sin 50. It is 99 point something. But an upward force is there. So to balance, this also should be downward. Because this is not sufficient. This is upward here. Its component should be this one, subtract vertical component. So minus 172.438. Answer divided by sin 50. 94.562. 94.562 kilonewton. 562, okay. Now, horizontally, this has got a component left side, 94.562 into cos 50. Then left side component, but this is right side component. This is also right side component. So, I will remove that component into minus 1 plus 50.346 plus 130.54 into cos 50. Total force is 195.0, 195 not visible, 195.038 to right side. 195 not possible. 1 minute. This is left. This is left side. Okay. This is 130. Calculator problem. 130.54 into cos 50. Then plus 50.346 into no cost nothing, 1. 134 point something. I will subtract minus 94.562 into cos 50. The remaining balance should be this force. 73.472. 73.4. This light is too much problem. 472. 472. This joint over. Now I will come to joint F. Okay, joint F. Down 20. 94.562 up. 94.562 into sin 50 is 72 point something up. A down 20. I will subtract that 20. Still unbalance is 52 point something up. So this should be down. If that is down, this here. And this component should be that one. So divide by sin 50. 68.454. 68.454. Okay, now with joint F. Okay, now with joint G joint already over. How I got no? Oh yes, okay. Now F I am doing horizontal forces. See, This has got right component. This also got right component. Both are same angle. So I will add those two. How much? 94.562 plus 68. You never do that way. Combined of those two into cos 50 will give me 104 this way. This is 164 this way. So I require this way. How much? Whatever I got component here, remove 164.255. 59.470. 470 is this force. Okay, now lastly, I will go to joint C. Okay, any joint will do C, I will go to. Here, vertically, 68.454 up. So 68.454 into sine 50 will give you up of 52. I will remove 16, subtract 16. Still I require downward here for balancing. So whatever unbalance I got, divided by sine 50 will give you 47.567. 47.567 kilonewton is that force. Okay, everything over. Now I will check. Now no checking. I got corporate. Okay, I will check it here. I will check the horizontal forces here, which is not done. 73.472. See how much time it took? It took around 6, 7, 8 minutes, most probably, because I explained what I am doing. Otherwise, what I will do? That way I will do. But here I explained. But remember, if you understood this one, okay, or try to understand. So one thing remember, 100% I am telling, it is not to impress anybody. Of course, people should know what level I can solve. That is important. That will make them mild and obedient. And also, they won't have that feeling, I also know. That feeling will go. It should go. If anybody has got a feeling, I also know something. No, when I will always tell my students, studying from me, first surrender. Yes, sir, surrender. Those who already came earlier, sir, you don't have to tell. Newcomers, I will tell. Otherwise, whatever I tell, listen. You stand to learn. He also same thing. You stand to learn. Okay, this is over now. Now I will start this question. Okay, 1 minute now. I want to divide the class into 3-4 parts for editing purpose, because otherwise I can't convert to HD there. So I'll go and break and continue. Okay, now we will start. See what I told just now, you never bother. Okay, start now. Okay, now start method of joint. That one leave it. Consider equilibrium of A. I told you should start from a joint having not more than 2 sorry, you have so much I explained. Now if you cannot solve, I am helpless. Okay, start. Joint A, down 60. Then see here, one unknown force here. One more unknown force here. Force for AE, force for AB. AB. Angle for inclined force is 50 degrees. 50 degrees. Okay, now direction. Actually, see, when I can solve the question there, you can make out, I know how to consider correct direction, but that class is still not uploaded. So till that class, that the 3 principles are there, 2 force principle, 3 force principle, 4 force principle, and same class I will tell you how to decide the direction correctly, which is possible in more than 90-95% cases. So till that time, I will assume, okay, do one thing, assume both of them right side, okay, this way, going away. Okay, start. Now, remember, cos, sine, you have to decide. Start. Here, one horizontal, one inclined. So, first sigma V0, you first make what? Sigma V0 plus PAE sine You should listen properly what I am telling. Why I am not writing. Plus PAE sin 50 minus 60 equal to 0. You will get the value of PAE. PAE equal to, I know the answer there, plus 78.324 kilonewton. Then sigma H equal to 0. Plus PAB plus PAE sin cos 50 equal to 0. Substitute PAE equal to 78.324. You will get PAB equal to minus 50.346. Okay. Joint is completely over. Come to square sketch. We assumed like this, positive came, correct. Enter here. How much? 78.324. 78.324 kilonewton. We assumed this way from the joint A, negative came, so reverse. Opposite here. How much? 50.346 kilonewton. Okay, now, joint A over, okay, I will go to that joint H. No, I will go to joint E. Okay, leave it now. I will see. Now remember, joint A already over. I will go to joint E. Joint E. Okay, put a sketch. Neat sketch. See, this I am writing this way without writing because it is so anybody who gives who goes through the class once and practices, he will be telling, sir, this is also not required. Sir, you give the question and walk out, you will get the answer. But still, I am helping now. See, here, joint E. This is E. One downward force of 40 kilonewton. One left force of 30 kilonewton. Then one more force this way, you write here, it is, but now it is a known value, PEA is already known, 78.324 kilonewton, and this angle is 50 degrees, one unknown this way, one unknown this way. This I will take going away from the joint. Both I now one thing, I will take everywhere going away only. Okay. So that no confusion. P, actually I know the answer. PEF and PEB. This angle is 50 degrees. So cosine you decide. See, cosine. Okay. Once again, one horizontal, one vertical, one inclined. So first sigma V0. Sigma V0 upward positive, right? Minus PEB sin 50, this will not come. Minus 78.324 sin 50 minus 40 equal to 0. You will get PEB equal to PEB. We will get PEB equal to minus 130.540 kilonewton. Then sigma H equal to 0. Take right side positive. Plus PEF plus PEB cos 50 minus 30 minus 78.324 cos 50 equal to 0. In place of PEB, substitute minus 130.540. We will get PEF. PEF will come. I'll calculate if you want. You will get the value of PEF. PF will come plus 164 point. People will start laughing. Sir, you are seeing there. Why should not I see there? That I only solved, no. Okay. This is exercise for you. 164.255. Okay. Over kilometer. Okay. Now, come here. This joint. PEF, you assumed like this. Positive value. Correct. Opposite here. How much? 164.255 kilonewton. And PEB, you took this way, going away from the joint. Negative sign came. Oh, wrong. Therefore, opposite here. Here, once you write here, immediately here like this. How much? 130 point, I should see here, not there. 130.540 kilonewton. Okay. Next. Consider equilibrium of joint, any joint. Okay, now joint E over, I will come to joint B now. Equilibrium of joint B. Why? I don't know why it is falling down like that. Okay. The pen cap. 1 minute. Now nib got little distracted. Okay, now okay. Consider equilibrium of joint B. Okay, start. Joint B. See, as I told already, always my class is meant for those who are serious. Start here. Joint B. This is your B. One upward force of reaction 172.438 kilonewton. Then one member force this way comes. But actually it's already known, that is P, which one BA, PBA already known, equal to 50.346 kilonewton. One more member force comes this way, red color, but actually it is known for you, PBE at B. PBE equal to 130.54. Angle is 50 degrees. Then one unknown this way, one more unknown this way. This unknown is PBF. This is PBC. I will take both outgoing. I will do one thing now. Today every unknown I will take outgoing. Okay. This way. So that if wrong, negative will come, 50 degrees. Sigma V equal to 0. Now I won't tell why sigma V first. Plus PBE sin 50 minus 134.54 sin 50 plus 172.438 equal to 0. You will get the value of PBF. 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 I will calculate. Minus 94.562. Minus 94 point. I know the answer there. But I only calculated. Minus 94.562. Okay. Correct answer. Minus. Yes, correct. Sigma H equal to 0. Take right side positive. Plus PBC. See. Plus PBF cos 50. Plus this force into cos 50. Plus this force. I will tell this force now. Equal to 0. Substitute PBF equal to minus 94.562. You will get PBC. PBC also negative, huh? Yes. PBC also will come negative. How much? 73.472. Why negative? 1 minute now. It is actually this way. This way how much? 94. 94. Here. This has got right component. 1 minute now. Negative, correct? Anyway, that answer is correct. I took this way. Reverse is there. Okay. Negative will come. Now, come here. Last you will check it. Come to this joint. PBF, I took this way. But negative sign came. See PBF. So, opposite. I am seeing answer there also. How much? 94.562. 562 kilometers. PBC, I took this way. See, this way. But again negative came. So, opposite here. How much? 73.472 kilometers. 1 minute. 130. Yes, because 130 is there. I got it now. Because heavy 70 plus 130 and 50 is around 180. 130 and 50. 180. Okay, correct. Okay. Now which one over? Joint B also over. Now I will go to joint F. Joint F. Consider equilibrium of joint F. Put the sketch. Joint F. Okay, start. F. This is your F. Down 20, see, down 20 kilonewton. Then one force here, which was member force, red color, but now red is black. Why black? Already known. It is PFE. PFE equal to 164.255 kilonewton. And one more force coming this way. Coming how? This here. Coming to the joint. Coming to the joint. But now it is a black color. PFB. FB equal to 94.562 kilonewton. Then one unknown force this way, one more unknown force this way. This is, I will take both outgoing, see, this way. This is P for FC and this is P for, this is P for FG. P for FG. See, this is the only mistake possible. What? ABCD problem. P for FG and P for FC. And this angle is 50 degrees. This also 50 degrees. Actually, for your information, today is 5th July. Today is my birthday. Just information, I remember it. See, birthday, night it is actually now nearly midnight, 3 o'clock after midnight. Because I had a class today. I don't want to break. That's why first I thought today I will not upload the class. Then I decided, no, better upload a class. Rest I will take tomorrow. Okay. Now, start. Sigma V equal to 0. Upward positive. Minus PFC sin 50 plus 94.562 sin 50 minus 20 equal to 0. You will get PFC. PFC yes, plus 68.454. Why? Answer is there. PFC is over. Then sigma H equal to 0. Kilometer I won't write. Sigma H equal to 0. Right side positive. Plus PFG plus this is sin cos all you have to write. PFC cos 50 minus 164.255 plus 94.562 cos 50 equal to 0, you will get PFC equal to, oh yes, that also will come plus. See, that also will come plus 68 point PFC, 68.454. Okay, you calculate. See, you should listen what I am telling and write. Enter here. Both we took going away. Both came positive, correct. Therefore, this is 60, which one? This one is, no, that will, sorry, this will come 59.470. Oh, I am putting wrong answer. 59.470. Okay. I took the wrong value there. So, this is this way and opposite here. How much? 59.470 kilonewton. And this is like this. How much it is? 68.454 kilonewton. Okay. Joint F also over. Now I will do one thing now. I will change over to other side because easy. I will go to H. Easy joint. Okay. I will go to H now. You see, H. Very simple. See. Downward of 10 kilonewton. One force like this, one force like this. Both I will take outgoing. Okay. This is P for HG. This is P for HD. HD. This angle is 60 degrees with horizontal. Okay. This is your joint H. Sigma V equal to the upward positive. Minus PHD sin 60, then minus 10 equal to 0, you will get PHD equal to minus 13.054 kilonewton. Sigma H equal to 0. Minus PHG minus PhD into cos 60 equal to 0, but PhD substitute minus 13.054, you will get PhG equal to plus 8.391 kilonewton. Enter the answer. PhD we took, see, this way. Negative came, so put opposite here. Here, how much answer? 13.054. PHG, see HG, I took this way. Positive came, correct. How much answer? 8.391 kilonewton. Okay. Now we are nearing the closing part now. Okay, last one more joint. H also over. Okay, now I will go H over. I underline the point. H over. I will come to equilibrium of joint D. Joint D. So I am going to D now. See, going to D. Going to D. Sketch the joint D. Joint D. See here. One right side force of 30. Reaction 30 kilonewton. One downward reaction of how much? 14.438 kilonewton. Then one unknown force this way, one unknown force this way. This angle is 50 degrees. Okay, now that is angle for inclined member. I will take both like this. You will see later. P for DG, P for DC. Okay. Make sigma V equal to 0. Sigma V0, upward positive. Plus PDG sin 50 minus 14.438 equal to 0, you will get PDG. There is one more force missing there. Oh, sorry. See, I am seeing different answer there. See, there is one more force there. See, there is one more force here this way, which is actually this. See, this force is there. Black color now. It is already known. What is one? P for DH. Answer is 13.054 kilonewton because I saw the answer there 31. If you want to get 31 there, see 14 and 13, there is a shortage there. I can make out 31 cannot come, but I forgot that force. See, okay, sigma V0. Okay, start. Plus PDG sin 50 minus 14.438 minus 13.054 into sin 50 degrees equal to, see, I have not drawn neat sketch because rough sketch. Today exercise question, half solution, half for you, equal to 0, you will get the value of PDG. See, PDG will come. PDG will come. Which one? PDG. PDG will come plus 31.901. It will come. Then sigma H equal to 0. Minus PDC minus PDG cos 50 minus 13.054 cos 50 plus 30 equal to 0. Substitute PDG equal to 31.901. You will get PDC. PDC is, yes, that also is plus. Plus, correct? 13, 1 nimisha. 30, yes, plus 1.103 kilonewton. Plus 1. Why is that such a small value? 1.103. Oh, there's a force here. How much here? 31. Okay. Plus 1.103 kilonewton. Enter the answer. We took both of them outgoing. Both came positive. Enter here. How much? 31.901. And one more is PDC also plus 1.103 kilonewton. Okay, now last joint. Consider equilibrium of joint. Any joint will do. Okay, I will go to joint C. Joint C I will go. C. G I will go later. C. Okay, start. See, since it is exercise for you, little fast I am talking and not telling everything fully clear. First of all, remember, question should be given. I should have told you solve it now. Okay. Let's see. See, this is C. Downward force of 16 kilonewton. Then one force, member force here comes this way, but it is a black color I am writing because it is known. P for CB equal to 73.472 kilonewton. Then one more member force is here. See this way. That is going away. See this way. P for CF equal to 68.454 kilonewton. This is 60 angle right 50 degrees. Then only one unknown is there this way. I will take this way. P, which one? PCG. CG at 50 degrees. Okay. Make sigma V0. You will get PCG. Plus PCG sin 50 plus 68.454 sin 50 minus 16 equal to 0, your PCG will come minus 47.567. Okay, enter here. Minus we got, we took this way. So minus means what? We took what this way, negative, it is this way. How much? 47.567. Now, or you do one thing. Instead of sigma V0, suppose you make sigma H0 plus PCG cos 50 plus 73.472 minus 68.454 into cos 50 equal to 0. Same answer will come. Okay, now, one joint we are not gone over. Which joint? G joint. See, we did not go to G joint. So I will do one thing now. I will apply the check there. Sigma V will come 47.567 into sin 50 upward minus 12 minus 31.901 into sin 50. Calculator is not on. What is this one? 47.567 into sin 50 upward minus 31.901 into sin 50. Something wrong. 47.567 into sin 50 minus 31.901 into sin 50. Answer is then minus 12. It will give you 0.0008. Oh, yes, correct. If I do sigma H0 there, right side positive, plus 8.391 minus 59.470 plus 31.901 into cos 50, again plus 0, okay, plus 47.567 into cos 50. 0.0, oh yes, 0. Therefore, you can tell yes. Okay, over now. Tabulation I will not do. You can write, see, member A, B, B, C, name the members, tension, compression. Last time I explained. I will not do once again. Maybe some other question later, one or two questions I will write. Then I will tell clerical job. See, that is clerical job, but you should know correctly which is compression tension. So, this question study thoroughly, and remember, you study thoroughly, understand everything. One fine day, who knows, some of you may reach this level. What? Nothing required, just a calculator and pen. That way. Of course, difficult, but remember, one place you make a mistake, gone case. Because it is a cumulative error. Suppose if I make a mistake here, when I go to next joint, wrong result will come. So you should take inspiration from me or those who are commenting, or those who are thinking, I also got good speed. You try to solve this question using only calculator and pen within 2.5 or 3 minutes or 2 minutes. I think 3 minutes not required for me. I took around 7-8 minutes because I explained something for those who want to learn. Otherwise, I don't have to tell anything. See, only calculation. So if you reach a level where these result, if you can also get using calculator without writing anything, within 3 minutes, you can consider, okay, somewhat you reached my level. But remember, not this chapter. This is not even 1% of structural knowledge. Still, lot of things are there. Strength of materials, engineering mechanics, lot of chapters, strength of materials, stresses, strains, principal stresses, SFD, BMD, column and stresses, torsion, cylinders, then deflection of beam, bending and shear stresses, then structural analysis, MD method, RT, propped cantilever, fixed beam, continuous beam, constant deformation method, moment distribution method, etc. So many methods are there. Everywhere. What speed I give the answer, if you match, you let me know who you are. We will have party together. Okay. Party from my side. Thank you. Now correctly solve and get the answer. Okay. Next class we will meet. Tomorrow is Sunday. I got hectic activity tomorrow. Non-stop 5 hours class is there. See the age. I told I'm 68 now. 67 over now 68. So that after 5-hour class, it will over by around 9:30, 10 o'clock in the night. So I will take 1 hour break, and tomorrow's class, most probably I will tell you those 3 force principles and had 3 principles and maybe how to decide direction, or if I am feeling fully tired, I will tell only principle, short class, maybe half an hour. Okay, thank you.